I think the main idea behind the accumulation of disorder that it almost represents us as a whole, as a society, as the idea of globalization, and each one is painted differently, and each one of these could represent different things, different people. This exhibition is quite fragmented, as there are different pieces that I made in different times that came together, but there is a story or a bigger picture, and I think that speaks about identity. There's an oval base going at the bottom of this, and then around that I'm going to put paprika spice around it. Once again, that connection with the Cape Malay woman and the spice route.